So here's everything that comes in this Aura wheel well LED strip kit. You have this little RF remote that'll work from anywhere, so you can keep it on your keychain. You have this remote. You also get these little clamps to hold down the ends of your strips. You get, of course, the strips, some offers, promotional stuff. You get manual, which we don't need because we're experts. You get extension cord, zip ties, and then what's cool about this box is you can either power it with a normal 12-volt adapter that you plug into your car, or what you can do is directly to a fuse, make it look clean with a fuse tap that they also provide. They provide 2 fuse taps. They have adhesive cleaning strips. I don't know if it's focusing on that like at all. Come on, there we go. Adhesive booster, so you clean wherever you're putting the LEDs with that first. A bunch of other ways to clean up your mess afterwards. I may do that, so let's get to it. So I'm going to install the lights first, and as you can see, I've already started trying to clean this. So make sure you get these clean contact surfaces before you install it. Then apply their adhesive booster just along the top here. So now I have it attached up on the inside of this with the wire pointing forward. Figured out these retaining clips are absolute garbage. You're better off just putting a screw through it because the plastic bit kind of stretches it, and also you don't need to drill a hole first. These will thread themselves in, so just FYI. Now I have both of them screwed down on all of them. Now for your extension cords, make sure you get the long one for the rear, short one for the front, and make sure you know which end you need to go to your hood. After already using 2 wires per side, considering I have a long truck, I don't have any wires. I've decided, I was thinking about maybe putting the box here, but it's not waterproof, nor are my wires long enough even for that. So my new idea, so I'm gonna do is wire through here, make a grommet, put the box on the inside of here, and then run the power wires down this trim to my fuse box, which is right there. So as you can see, I now have the wires coming in through here. I do not recommend you do this. This is what I did. And I'm gonna mount this box inside over here, so all the wires are barely long enough. Now it's a matter of running the signal wire that turns the lights on just when you unlock your vehicle, and then running power. I had it hooked up just to this, just to see what it looked like. So now I also got to run it to power in my fuse box. So what I ended up doing for power is tapping into my dome lights. Now there's 2 types of power going to your dome lights. There's the always on power, so that you can manually turn on by pushing them. Then there's the signal power, which turns on when you unlock your car or open a door. And so what I wanted to do is I tapped into the signaled wire so that when I unlock my vehicle, they'll turn on. It has now been an entire year since I installed my wheel well lighting. That wasn't my intention. I didn't mean for it to take me this long to finally get a video out on this, but it does show just how well these things hold up. You can see it does come apart in some spots, but that really doesn't matter. And I've been mudding with this thing and all sorts of things. You can see how dirty they are. But even with that said, they still work. So when you unlock the truck, they automatically come on, and that's why I tied it into the dome lights. Another awesome benefit of having it tied to your dome lights is when you lock your vehicle, they turn off as well. And as you can see, I still have all the box and all the wires mounted cleanly under here. So if I ever want to manually turn on my wheel well lighting, all I have to do is manually turn on my dome lights, and I know that they're on as well. What's cool about this is I know that as long as my dome lights are off, I am legal to drive. So what's cool is, since this thing is RF, you do not have to be line of sight in order to make it change colors. It's as easy as that. Another really awesome feature of this is I got music playing inside, and if you put this on music mode, it will now strobe to the music. Now the microphone's right next to the subwoofer, so this is going to be all your bass notes. So obviously right now it's talking, then there's some bass for you. So to change colors while it's strobing, you just keep hitting the music button and you can get different effects. Another cool thing is you can make it do fades and color strobing, all sorts of other color cycling. So this kit can really do a lot of cool colors. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll leave links to all the equipment used in this video.